Okay, how do you make a custom thumbnail for YouTube? The first thing you need to do is take a landscape photo with your phone. If you take your photo in portrait mode, your aspect ratio won't be able to, you won't be able to get the right aspect ratio. So if you take a landscape photo, which is it's longer on the width side, and you click edit, we're going to go ahead and get the aspect ratio right by clicking this crop icon. It's the little square with the edges sticking out. And then this icon here is the aspect ratio to get automatically what you want. And what you want is 16:9. That's what YouTube recommends. So we'll click that. And now we have the correct aspect ratio. The next thing we're going to do is I'm going to mark up the photo. So I guess I'll hit done, edit, and now we need the markup tool, which is the circle with 3 dots. iPhone Pluses have it at the bottom. We'll click it at the top. Markup. And this is where you add your circles and your arrows that seem to be popular these days. Hit the plus, and then a circle, and hit the black circle at the bottom to change the color because YouTubers use the red circle. Move that there, say, and then click the plus again for an arrow. Here's the arrow. I'm still using the red, and then change the length by grabbing the blue handles and the angle. I'm not going to touch the green because that makes it curved. So now we're good to go with the custom thumbnail. Hit done. And the text will go over that. And if you actually want text over that, we can do that too. Hit the markup tool, and then click the plus, text, and it gives you a little text box right in the middle here. It's hard to see because of the background. I'm going to change the color since it's selected to yellow, no, to red, and then click the text box, edit, type your text, click the photo to get the keyboard to go away, grab the blue handles, make it a little wider, and now we're just going to change the font by clicking the A's, and Georgia, noteworthy. Now we'll make it larger with this slider here, and grab the blue handles, and now we got it. Hit done and done. If you have any questions or comments, or if you have any video requests, leave a comment below. If you are interested in further iPhone support, you can take a private iPhone lesson or online courses at smartphonelearningzone.com. Thanks.